Here are some tips and tricks for curly hair. Did you guys see that? First things first, we have to section out this hair. This is the bounce curl brush. If you have curly hair, you definitely know about this one. I'm gonna be working on this section so I don't have to clip it up. And within the sections, I like to take smaller sections, so gonna wet it down a little bit. I'm gonna go in with the Ouidad Curl Miracle treatment. I'm just raking this through. And then I'm gonna go in with the Ouidad Gel. And then I like to go in with the brush again to just really clump those curls together. As you can see, this is clearly way more defined. This is without product, but now we're gonna go through my whole head and do the same thing. When I'm doing my hair, I love to listen to music. It helps me pass the time by. Clearly not an option here. Now I just repeat all those steps until my whole head is done. Okay, the arm workout is not over yet. We still have to diffuse. A final touch I like to do is to separate a couple curls just to make sure there's a little extra volume. And the final result, beautiful, luscious curls.